Today we're going to learn about multi-digit addition with regrouping. All right, so right here you can see we have our addition problem and we have our bottom number already, and then we have our placed value chart over here. So one of the first things I suggest is to take a pencil and do neat lines so you can make sure you're lining up your place value. So the first thing, we have our place value. We're going to put a pencil here, and we have the ones, a line here for the ones, a line here for the tens. Then we have the hundreds. Then we have the thousands, and then the 10,000s, and then finally the 100,000s. And the reason I'm going all the way to 100,000s is because the number I'm adding is in the 100,000. All right, so now we're going to line up again. We have 1, 5 tens, 3 hundreds, 8 thousands, 9 10,000s, and 600,000. So we have 698,351 plus 57,492. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to represent these numbers in the place value chart. And I know we're going to do some regrouping, but I'm going to use one color right here for my top number, one of my add-ins, and then I'm going to use another color for my bottom number, my second add-in. So I'm going to start by representing my top number. And again, when we line them up, we're going to try to line them up in rows of 10, right? And we're going to try to line them up nicely, okay? So I have 1 here. I have 5 tens, which is the same as 50. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice I have neat organized numbers, right? 5 tens. Then I have 3 hundreds. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 hundreds. Next I have 8 thousands, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My line's a little crooked there, but that's okay. 8 thousands. 9 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 600,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 600,000s. And I'm doing it nice and neat and organized. So I've represented my first number there, all right, which is again 698,351. Now I'm going to use my other number, and I'm going to represent this with green. So on my bottom number, my bottom add-end here, I'm going to add 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2. All right. So right now, how many ones do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So I'm going to do 3. Okay. So we're going to go 1 plus 2 is 3. All right, 3 ones. All right. Now the next thing I'm going to add, I have 5 tens here, and I'm going to add 9 tens here. Well, I already know I'm going to regroup. And I have 5 here, and I'm going to count up from 5, but I need to add a total of 9. So I'm going to put 5 over here and 4 over here, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will bring me to 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. But then I need to add 5 and 9, right? So I broke 9 into 5 and 4. So again, I have 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. So here's where the tricky part is. What we're going to do is everybody say regroup. Oh, let's try that again. Regroup.
Regroup.
So this right here, we're going to take this, because technically it's 10 tens. And if we have 10 tens, we're going to move it over here into the hundreds. Okay? So I can think about this 1 is going to go over here, or this 10 tens, which is 100. So thinking about this, okay, I have 5 plus 9 is 14, And then I'm going to take that 1 and I'm going to put it over here. Just like this 1 is no longer a part of the tens, we only have 4 tens. So we move the 10 over to the hundreds. All right. So now we have 3 and 1, 3 and 1, and we're going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 plus 4, and 4 plus 4 is what, everybody? Thank you. I love that. That one student that's doing a great job. What's 4 plus 4, everybody?
8.
8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8. So we're going to put an 8 here. All right. So now we're going to move to the thousands, and I have 8 plus 7. So I'm going to add 8, right? And I know 8 plus 2 is 10. So 2 more, but I need to add a total of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guess what I'm going to have to do over here? Guess what I'm going to have to do over here? I'm going to have to regroup. What am I going to do, everybody?
Regroup.
So right now it would be like 15, but again, this 1 means I have 10,000. So this 1, we're going to move this from here. We're going to bundle these, and we're going to take them over here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oop, looks like 10. Okay, so how does that work in the standard algorithm? We have 8 plus 7 is 15. So I'm going to put the 5 here and regroup the 1. Okay, some people used to say carry the 1. So it's interesting because I already have these 10, and I'm going to add 5. So I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, what is this going to give me? 15. Well, I can't write 15 here, so again, I'm going to, everybody say regroup.
Regroup.
So I'm going to take these 10, I'm going to put them over here, add them. So this 1 is being moved over here, right? So again, 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Write the 5 here, add the 1 here. Well, now I have 6 plus 1 plus 0. 6 plus 1 plus 0. What's 6 plus 1, everybody?
7.
7. Thank you, 7. So I'm going to write a 7 here. So I have 755,843. 755,843. So I'm going to rewrite my number here, 755,000, adding my comma to show the period. And this is my answer. I like to put a box around it and a star. Again, when I make a group of 10 in one of my place value sections, it moves over to the next section. I had 10 tens, it moved up to the hundreds. I had 10 thousands, it moved up to the 10,000s. I had 10 10,000s, it moved up to the 100,000s. When we add, what we're doing is we're regrouping. So, with that, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching.